Hey beauty people, suddenly I am getting this type of error message. Something went wrong while I am making video and image using Google Flow. So if you are getting this type of message, then you can fix this issue very easy. So to fix this, first go to the top left corner and then here you can see setting gear icon. Just click on that. Now go to the cookies and site data. Click on that and then click on manage on device site data. Now just delete the cache file. Just click on delete icon and then you will delete all of the cache. After that, click on done. Now reload. Click on that. So after reload, just click on video or image and then try again to regenerate your thumbnail or video. So I am going to try to one more time. And then you can see it's now generating, and there you go. This is how you can fix this type of error. Hope that this video help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.